Is it time to buy or sell Eli Lilly stock? In this video, we will explore Eli Lilly in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on the 12th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to present you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any important updates that may affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI technology and receive a free price prediction, along with an in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies globally today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Eli Lilly as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 8.02%. This amounts to an average loss of 1.34% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 10.9% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between -19.45% and +4.31%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about -7.78%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from -14.38% to +11.69% over the coming year. In current terms, this translates to a future price range between $646.92 and $843.91. Our latest daily update for Eli Lilly includes the headline, "Green Day on Monday for Eli Lilly stock after gaining 2.86%. The Eli Lilly stock price gained 2.86% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. The stock rose from $734.57 to $755.57. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.93%, with a day low of $722.18 and a day high of $765.01. The price has experienced fluctuations during this period, and there has been a loss of 13.87% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 5 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 8 million shares bought and sold for approximately $6.32 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $972.53, and the lowest price was $677.09. Currently, the price is 22.31%, or $216.96, below the 52-week high of $972.53, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Eli Lilly stock, trading under the ticker symbol LLY, is currently under the spotlight as several critical developments converge. On one hand, President Trump's recent executive order aims to drastically reduce United States drug prices by 30 to 80%, a move that has raised concerns among investors about profit margins for pharmaceutical companies, including Eli Lilly. Despite this aggressive stance, it appears that investor sentiment remains relatively optimistic, with stock prices not plummeting as initially feared, suggesting belief in a more tempered approach in negotiations. In a more positive light, Eli Lilly's obesity drug, Zepbound, has demonstrated superior performance in clinical trials compared to Novo Nordisk's Wegovy, marking a significant milestone in the competitive weight loss market. In a recent 72-week trial, participants using Zepbound lost an average of 50 pounds, outpacing their counterparts on Wegovy. This news positions Eli Lilly favorably in a lucrative sector, likely boosting investor confidence in the company's growth trajectory. Lastly, noteworthy moves in portfolio management, such as Stephanie Link selling some Eli Lilly shares to invest in Intuitive Surgical, could signal shifting perceptions among institutional investors. In the short term, these dynamics may lead to moderate fluctuations in LLY's stock price as the market evaluates the implications of drug pricing reforms amidst the backdrop of competitive drug performance. Long-term, however, if Zepbound solidifies its market position and if the company can navigate pricing pressures, Eli Lilly could maintain its growth momentum, enhancing shareholder value. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned LLY a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned LLY a buy rating along with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned LLY an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned LLY an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned LLY a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Eli Lilly stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book value similarly as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Eli Lilly. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.86%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The Eli Lilly stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $776.93 and $800.62. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 22 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 25 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly finds support from accumulated volume at $753.71. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $42.83 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.93%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.35%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Eli Lilly, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.53. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Eli Lilly. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Eli Lilly is at $794.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Eli Lilly faces its first support level at $753.71. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Eli Lilly from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of May, 2025, Hakeem Anat conducted an insider sale of 17,875 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Sulzberger Gabriel conducted an insider purchase of 6,061 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Luciano Juan R. conducted an insider purchase of 18,133 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Hedley Mary Lynn conducted an insider purchase of 12,123 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, Furwald J. Eric conducted an insider purchase of 12,123 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 91.450. Overall, insiders purchased 26,343 shares and sold 691,902 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Eli Lilly stock a good buy? Eli Lilly exhibits several negative signals and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Thus, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we expect Eli Lilly to open lower by $7.98, beginning trading at $747.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.